Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody's fine. Today I am in Colombo and I just reached here and checked in the hotel. This is the Goodwood Airport Hotel, just like 1 kilometer away from the hotel, away from the airport. So I just came here walking and I'm already in my room. So let's give you a small tour. So this is me, full length mirror in the entrance. And here is some space for putting your luggage. Here is the toilet at the beginning. Wow, looks nice and clean. Ta-da! Good job. Okay, go back to the room. Here is some teas and water, dustbin, the table, the TV, and the mirror. Beautiful mirror and handsome me. Here is a, okay, I'll show that to you later. This is the room, this is the bed. The room is pretty nice. Guess how much I paid for this for a night. And here we have this, oh yeah, balcony. But it's so hot outside, so goodbye to the balcony. We don't need you. So that was my room, and tomorrow is gonna be a day of wandering around in Colombo. I just have a few hours in this city, and let's see how it goes. So see you in next video. Vlog of Colombo. Take care.